Hey guys, welcome back for another video. So if you're Gen X like me, you're probably used to completely normal fuel cans, not this. What the These are just horrible. There's nothing good about these. So I'm not even gonna bother explaining how bad it is. We're just gonna fix it with this for literally just a few dollars. They had a single kit, but it was only like $1 left. I get 3 of these in this kit. I can do multiple cans or do what I'm gonna do, give them away to your friends. So I'm going to use one of these, and we're going to put on a totally normal spout that, hey, guess what? The world used before this eco crap that's absolutely useless to try to fill things with. A normal bendy spout that you can fill your car, your lawnmower, your weed whacker, whatever you want. And it's simple, and it just works. You put the cap on, it's secure. Take the cap off, you pour. It's as simple as that. Let's go. Off with this. And we got this big old filter that we got to grab and pull out. Just grab it with needle nose, twist it into a ball, get out, and remove your retention ring. The kit comes with multiple size caps and vent plugs and a drill bit. Everything you need. Put the drill bit in your drill and let's make a hole. Now you want the vent in the upright position as you're pouring, so right about there. Pop in your vent. And screw on your new spout. They give you a couple of different options for capping it off. You can even reverse it and put it down in below. Use one of these to cap that off if you want to do it that way. Back to basics. That's it. Link down below. See you next time.